Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, comment utiliser le verbe aider et comment demander de l'aide. Today, how to use the verb to help in French and how to ask for help because you're not going to use the same word when you use the verb to help and when you actually ask for help. I know French language can be very tricky. Alors, comment ça va aujourd'hui? Moi, ça va très bien. Je suis très contente de faire ce nouvel épisode. I'm very happy to have this new episode with you. Comme d'habitude, vous trouverez la transcription sur mon site internet speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You'll find the cheat sheet with more practice that you can download or print. And of course, you can also sign up for the Vault. It's free. It's where I have created episodes with longer cheat sheet and mostly for students who want to go deeper into your French studies. Alors, are you ready to speak French? On va commencer avec le verbe aider. So first, we're going to start with the verb to help. One thing I want to clear is that French never use the verb to help, such as help yourself when you want to take a serving of something, right? So we only use the verb to help when actually you need some help or hand or a favor. The base form, so infinitive, is aider. Aider. It is spelled A-I-D-E-R in its basic form. Aider. So let's try it together. J'aide. J'aide. J'aide is I'm helping or I help. Tu aides. Tu aides. Tu aides. You helping or you help. Il aide. Il aide. Il aide. He's helping or he helps. Elle aide. Elle aide. Elle aide. She's helping or she helps. Did you hear? You're going to say il aide, elle aide, one word, although you have two words. Nous aidons. Nous aidons. Nous aidons. We're helping. Or we help. Vous aidez. Vous aidez. Vous aidez. You're helping with the vous form where you help. Ils aident. Ils aident. Ils aident. They're helping. Elles aident. Elles aident. Elles aident. They're helping. Or they help. You notice the Z. Nous aidons. Vous aidez. Ils aident. Elles aident. You have to make that Z sound. So let's try and repeat after me. We're just going to go through the whole verb. J'aide. Tu aides. Il aide. Elle aide. Nous aidons. Vous aidez. Z, LZ. Let's look at an example. J'aide les touristes quand ils sont perdus. J'aide les touristes quand ils sont perdus. I help tourists when they're lost, and that's true. J'aide les touristes quand ils sont perdus. Again, feel free to go and check on the website so you can follow with the transcription. Okay, before moving on to how to say help me, could you help me, or help, remember to check out the French workshop. You can go and take the first 4 lessons for free so you can check if you like it. It's all self-directed and you have 30 lessons, and all these lessons are going to address immediate needs that you have when you travel to France. So feel free to go and check it out, or feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Now let's talk about the French expression, right? So remember, the French use the verb aider, but when you need urgent rescue or when you need some help, you're going to say it a little different. Now let's say that you want to say help me if you need some help, if you need a hand. Then you say aide-moi. Aide-moi if you know the person. Aidez-moi when you don't know the person. This is not when you need immediate rescue. It's more like when you need some help and you're asking someone for help. Par exemple, aidez-moi à porter ma grosse valise, s'il vous plaît. Right? You check in the Airbnb, the host doesn't speak too much English, and you want to say, please help me carry my big suitcase, please. Aidez-moi à porter ma grosse valise, s'il vous plaît. Help me carrying my big suitcase, please. Of course, you can use it in other settings whenever you need a hand or some help. Aide-moi if you know the person or if it's someone your age, or aidez-moi if you want to be more formal. Now, if you want to go a little beyond and just want to be a little bit more sophisticated, more polite when asking for help, then you say, pourrais-tu m'aider? Pourrais-tu m'aider? Could you help me? Pourrais-tu m'aider? Here we use the to form with someone you know or someone your age. Pourrais-tu m'aider? Could you help me? Now, of course, if you need to be formal, if you don't need the person, pourriez-vous m'aider? Could you help me? Pourriez-vous m'aider? Could you help me? So let's repeat. Aide-moi, aidez-moi when you need some help and you don't want you to be too formal, or maybe you don't want to freeze up, so you remember that's the basic you remember, and that's fine. Or if you want to go one step further and elevate your French and say a little bit more formal, pourrais-tu m'aider? Ou pourriez-vous m'aider? Par exemple, pourrais-tu m'aider à apprendre le français? Pourrais-tu m'aider à apprendre le français? Means could you help me with learning French, right? You're talking with someone your age and a good vibe, and you want to say, hey, could you help me with learning French? Pourrais-tu m'aider à apprendre le français? But now, if you need to be more formal, and let's say you want to say, could you help me with this reservation, right? You have some questions. Pourriez-vous m'aider avec cette réservation? Now, of course, if you need urgent help and rescue, right? You're in great danger, you say or scream au secours. Au secours. Au secours is help, like you need someone to come and rescue you. You're in great danger. If you say aide, unfortunately, people will not understand you. So it's very important that you know that when you need urgent help and rescue, you say or scream au secours. Au secours. Again, you can go on the website to see all the examples, how they spell, but remember that au secours is for immediate help. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you are, it's the end of this new episode. I hope you liked it. So in this case, feel free to leave 5 stars, comments, and share with your friend so it helps other listeners with finding out about the podcast and learning French. And if nobody has told you today, and wherever you are in the world, I know you're terrific. And si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, et où que vous soyez dans le monde, je sais que vous êtes formidable. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.